Hey, it's Mishi here. Welcome to Natural Living with Mishi, where I bring you the best natural remedies, skincare tips, healthy recipes, and holistic wellness hacks. Did you know that just 1 cup of ginger tea can boost your immunity and improve digestion? Let's make this 5-minute magic tea. You'll need fresh ginger, honey, lemon, and a pinch of cinnamon. Ginger helps reduce bloating, fights inflammation, and boosts immunity naturally. Step 1. Add 1-inch sliced ginger to 1.5 cups of boiling water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Step 2. Add 1/2 lemon juice and 1 teaspoon honey for a refreshing taste. Step 3. Add a pinch of cinnamon for extra warmth and metabolism boost. And it's ready! This tea soothes digestion, detoxifies the body, and strengthens immunity, all in just 5 minutes. Would you try this? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.